Hello students, welcome to your maths class. So children, as previously we did the number names that were from 101 to 180, right? We covered in CW and HW both. So children, there is a twist. We will do homework and then we will do the CW, right? So you can leave the page. So today we are going to do 181 to 200 number names in HW, and then we are going to start the counting, that is from 101 to 300 in CW. Alright, so let's see the HW first. So children, let's revise before starting this. So what is the spelling of 10? This is TEN, 10. What is the spelling of 100? HUNT, hunt, RED, red, 100. Spelling of 20, 2020, TWENTY, 20. 30, THIRTY, 30. Speak after me. 40, FORTY, 40. 50, FIFTY, 50. 60, SIXTY, 60. 70, SEVEN, 70. 80, EIGHTY, 80. So let's start. So here is 181. So how we are going to write it? ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, EIGHTY, 80, ONE1. So 181. Same ways we will write 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, and then 190. So what is the spelling of 90? NINETY, 90. How we are going to write it? ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, NINETY, 90, 190. Likewise, we are going to write till 199, like 191, 192, 193, 194, 195. Ma'am wrote ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, NINETY, 90, FIVE, 5, 195. Then we have 196, 197, 198, 199, and then we have 2. What comes after 199? 200. So this will be TWO2, HUNDRED, 100. Right? So children, in this we will not write 100 because 1 की जगह पे क्या आ गया है? 2. 2 comes at the place of 1, so we will write 2 and 100, HUNDRED, 100. उसके आगे हम कुछ नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे 001. There is nothing, there is no digit other than 00, so we are just writing 200. Right? So this was the HW. Now children, go and take a small break, and then we will start the CW, that is the counting. Right? Now go and take a small break. Do whatever you want to. You have 2 minutes. Go and run. Yes, your break is still going on, children. You can have some water or some fruits, or you can enjoy, you can dance, you can sing, you can talk to your parents, your grandparents. Acha, tell me, how many of you play games in mobile phones? आप में से कौन कौन मोबाइल फ़ोन में गेम खेलता है? हाउ मैनी ऑफ यू प्ले गेम्स इन मोबाइल फ़ोन्स? मैम को पता है आप सब फ़ोन में गेम खेलते हो, बट पता है उससे कितना हमारी आइज़ पे कितना गंदा इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है ना? फिर आप सब चश्मिश हो जाओगे. अगर आप ऐसे गेम्स खेलोगे फ़ोन में तो। सो चिल्ड्रन, हमें फ़ोन्स में गेम नहीं खेलना चाहिए. वी शुड प्ले इंडोर गेम्स एंड आउटडोर गेम्स. बट अब जैसे कि टाइम चल रहा है तो हमें आउटडोर गेम्स तो नहीं खेलना चाहिए, बट वी शुड प्ले इंडोर गेम्स विद आर grandparents, parents, our siblings and whosoever is there in your house, right? अच्छा, तो have you come back? Did you all drink water or had some fruits? Okay, very good. So children, in CW you have to write the counting from 101 to 150 today in CW. But we have to do the counting from 101 to 300. Okay, so as 1 to 100 we covered in our UT1, right? And in half yearly we are going to do this 101 to 300. So shall we begin? Okay, so children, this is completely your choice. You can leave one line and then write, or you can write as it is, as ma'am wrote, but you have to write in very neat and clean handwriting, right? So lines are already drawn in your notebook. See, ma'am's drawing is very bad. Ma'am cannot even draw a straight line, right? But I can draw in the classroom. So let's start. So we are going to write 101, 102, 103. And children, do not write it essay. Do not write it horizontal. You have to write it vertical, right? So let's start. This is 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. So what comes after 109? 110. And what comes after 110? 111. That we will write from next line. उसके नीचे से नहीं लिखना है आपको. You have to start from next line. Now 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, then 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Now let's move to the next line. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, right? Now 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. Now let's move to the next line. 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, and what comes after 49? 150. So children, this was the counting from 101 to 150 that you are required to write in your notebook in very neat and clean handwriting. You can leave one line, or you can write as it is. All right, so share the classwork and homework pictures with your class teacher. All right, enjoy and have fun, and do not play games in your mobile phones. All right, tata.